Why do most of bulldog owners say they sleep with earplugs? Because their pups are world-class snorers. Let's meet the top 5 doggy snoring champs. First up, the bulldog. These guys snore louder than your grandpa after Thanksgiving dinner. Next, the French bulldog, small body, big noise. Pugs, they sound like tiny motorcycles on idle. Boxers bring the bass, rattling windows and hearts. And last, the Boston Terrier, cute face, earth-shaking snores. Which breed would keep you up at night?